Along. It means moving next to something. For example, we drove along the highway. He ran along the road. Birds flew along the coast. After. It refers to the order of events. For example, they went to the park after school. They clean up the kitchen after cooking. I usually go for a run after work. Above. It means to higher up. For example, her performance in the exam was above average. The temperature today is above 30 degrees Celsius. The clock is hanging above the door. About. It means concern. For example, he is worried about his exam. She asked about your health. We talked about our weekend plans. During. It means throughout the entire time of an event. For example, he fell asleep during the movie. He lost his wallet during the rush hour. The store is closed during the holidays. Down. It means moving to a lower position. For example, petrol prices went down last month. I wrote down what he said during the meeting. Write down your name on the paper. At. It is used to indicate location, time, activity, or condition. For example, he works at a bank. They are staying at hotel. The meeting is scheduled at 11 a.m. In. It is used to indicate location within an area or space. For example, she lives in Berlin. The conference will be held in August. The keys are in the drawer. On. It means touching the surface of something. For example, the book is on the table. The movie is based on a true story. The cat jumped on the bed. Under. It indicates position, authority, or condition. For example, the construction is still under progress. The cat is hiding under the bed. He works best under pressure. Until. It indicates point in time up to which event continues. For example, the store is open until midnight. I won't leave until you arrive. We waited until the rain stopped. To. It indicates direction, destination, or connection between people or things. For example, the book belongs to my friend. They are going to the beach for vacation. She went to the store to buy groceries. For. It indicates purpose or benefit. For example, I am looking for a job. They are going for a walk in the park. This medicine is for fever. Till. It means up to the time specified. For example, the shop is open till 9 p.m. Please wait here till I come back. They stayed at the party till late at night. Through. It indicates completion of an action. For example, she walked through the door. He looked through the window. I read through the document. Near. It indicates closeness in time, distance, or relationship. For example, the hotel is near the airport. Please park near the entrance. They live near the library. With, together, or accompanied. For example, are you familiar with this software? She decorated the room with colorful curtains. Can you help me with my homework? Without. It means lacking something. For example, she passed the exam without studying much. She left the house without her keys. I can't imagine life without music. In front of, it refers to a position. For example, the metro station is right in front of the school. He always parks his car in front of the house. The cafe is just in front of the movie theater. Instead of, it indicates substitution. For example, we will meet today instead of tomorrow. Use a marker instead of a pen for this assignment. I will have cold coffee instead of tea today. Inside, it denotes a location within an enclosed space. For example, the keys are inside the drawer. He left his watch inside the car. He found his favorite book inside the library. By, it indicates nearness. For example, she goes to work by car every day. You can pay by cash or credit card. The parcel will be delivered by tomorrow. Beside, it shows something next to. For example, the new mall is located beside the restaurant. The dog likes to sleep beside me at night. He sat beside his best friend during the ceremony. Between. It shows position of something in the middle of two things. For example, the meeting is scheduled between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. There was a heated argument between the friends. Please keep a distance between each person. Before. It indicates something happening earlier in time. For example, the sun rises before dawn. Let's finish this assignment before dinner. Please arrive before 10 a.m. for the meeting. Behind. It indicates something located at the back. For example, the bike stopped behind the traffic light. The cafe is located just behind the shopping mall. She always sits behind me in class.